All right, what's going on, people? This is Calvin Kidd. I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I've been focusing on my signals group. Like I said, I only got a handful of people. I don't want to have too many people so I can teach them how I'm trading and also provide signals so they can just venture off on their own at some point in their journey. Right? That's the goal. You don't want people to just latch on to you for signals when you can be able to learn this stuff and do this stuff on your own terms. So that's where I'm at with everything. But far as this last month, um, the markets has just been either ranging or going in one direction, and it's basically looking for some kind of direction or some kind of news so we could get some volatility in this market. But other than that, I don't force trades. It's been a good market to scalp. But I don't scalp. I swing and intraday. But like I said, if you're a scalper, you probably have a whole lot of setups. But I just want to show you guys something. We're just gonna go left from right and show you what these markets has been doing. Let me pause it right. Show you what this market has been doing. All right, we're gonna have to do it like this because my indicators wasn't working for to click on these different tabs down here. So I gotta go to my watch market and just ease it on by. But I wanted to show you this. We're gonna go to our 4 hour right quick. And I want to show you this is what we've been dealing with. And when you see stuff like this, the first thing I'm looking at is right here. A lot of these pairs been doing this, so it's been stalling right here, and we don't have a sense of direction. But other than that, you could have been getting some good scalps out of this market on the lower time frames, right? Simple and plain. Look, um, these lower time frames. Look, bam, 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 bam. See that? But I'm not no scalper, so I don't do the scalping. But you could have been making some pips, right? Let me just go through these pairs right quick. See this? It's the 4 hour time frame. So if you would have thought this was coming back down here to shoot up, bam, it just took you out. But like I said, you would have identified that from the you know those those JPY pairs because they've simply just been going sideways. Let's see what you're doing. See, one direction, just stalling. Look at these small candles. That's small candles, so that means it's trending. Same thing, same thing, sideways, right? Like I said, it's gonna come back up to this point right here. We just don't know when, right? So you don't want to play the guessing game. You just want to wait for your signal to set up, and you can ride it back up to that. But what I'm thinking they're gonna do is they're gonna spike. Either they're gonna spike both ways to shoot up, but you just never know, man. Like same direction. Bam. Got a major pullback a little bit. So we don't know what it can do for this week. So we're gonna be watching. Same thing. Sideways. Sideways. Right? That's 30. Let's see what that's looking like. Pull up, pull up. So this is not pulling up. You. I think it was ECAD we was in. Yeah, we was in ECAD, right? So I had this bad boy right here. What I did was, and we could have won this trade. The first signal I sent out was right here. Boom. We got in, shot down, but it haven't hit my target. This was the target I wanted it to hit. And it almost got there. And it shot back up because we put our stop loss right here. but we put it in 10 to 20 pips in profit just because I knew they probably sometimes go back up there to shoot back down. So what I should have did was tell everybody if it get back in his zone, get back in this trade, and look what it did. Bam. But this was the initially move. This was the officially move right here. Bam. Came back up, took them people out, shot all the way back down. But we had lost two trades. Not this one. We won this trade. We lost two trades, two signals this week, last week, and that's it, man. But other than that, like I said, we've been on that winning streak. This ain't gonna hurt. It comes with the territory. You just gotta wait for your setup and continue the process. Let's just go to Bitcoin. See if Bitcoin pull up. Nope, Bitcoin ain't pulling up. GA, look at this sideways, sideways, trending. So don't force nothing, people. Look at this, trending in one direction. It's starting to pull back a little bit, but I still think it's gonna trend. It's a holiday, so today not looking to get into nothing. Direction is that Dogecoin against the U.S. dollar. SEDJZ JPY, same thing. Look at that, people. Same thing. Same thing. I want you to see the difference, though. Let me just unlock this. See how it's been trending, and this is what? One, that's two, it's on the 9th, 14th, 19th, 21. It's almost a full month of trending in one direction, people. You don't really want that. But if you get it, let me just show you. This is what we really as a swing trade, right? Just want stuff like this. We want the back and forth, but we want big candles. Like that's where your signals be at, right? In your big candles, right? Big candles, boom. Look at that. Bam, that's volatility. And so when they come back, we can take the second leg, right? We want those big candles. But we gotta be patient, look, like this. This haven't been a full month, but as you can see, it was doing the same thing as doing this month, last month, at this point in time. So we want stuff like that. Let me see, right? We want those big candles in our on our charts, people, so we can get some kind of overall direction, and we can know when these big players are putting money into this market and trading it as well, right? Because we don't want to trade these small candles because it'll just be trending and at that point. So any signal that you think you get ultimately take you out, right? So we want stuff like this because it's a overall cheat code in my eyes, right? So that's where we at with everything. And look at this. We just gotta be patient. This is not big candles. Like this signal right here, it was a good signal, but like I said, man, it's not it's not good enough for me. So I wouldn't take that. But like I said, if you was a scalper, this is paradise for you. So we just basically waiting at this point, and we're gonna wait for this thing to either give us a pullback, come down, give us another pullback, and we can take that trade. So just be patient, everybody. I understand. I get it. But sometimes you just gotta let these markets do what they do. You don't want to force trades. That's how you lose a lot of money. You don't want to chase trades. That's how you lose money. You just gotta simply wait for that data that you experience and just wait for it to come back around, right? Because these markets tend to do the same thing over and over. You just gotta play the patient games, right? So that's all I wanted to show you guys. There's nothing we can do at this point We just simply gotta wait and let these markets play out and wait for that news because everybody I think waiting on see what the U.S. dollar gonna do ultimately for these markets to get some action. So that's where we at. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll be putting out more videos as soon as we get some kind of normalized in this market. But other than that, man, y'all can add me and be patient, man. Be patient because there's a lot of people losing money right now dealing with this, and you don't want to be on that end of the stick. Just being honest, this stuff comes around every year. You just gotta be patient and wait it out. And once everything get back to normal, then we can resume what we was doing because the market will do the same thing over and over. Other than that, y'all get at me, man.